Hi there, Professor Roo here. You don't like that? How about this? Hello there. My name is Professor Roo. I give up. It's a good thing I'm not an actor. Welcome to English 102, College Reading. My name is Renato Escudero. You can call me Roo, R-E-W, and I'll be your guide this semester. I'm very happy that you're here. We're going to cover a lot of readings in this class across multiple disciplines. We'll learn to practice active reading. Active reading is not the kind of reading that you may be used to. Active reading is a process of interacting with a text and evaluating it critically, which is sometimes difficult to do. In addition to our class readings, we're going to have 2 novels, one of your choice with my approval, and a novel that you'll pick from a list. There's going to be quite a bit of writing. Writing is a way of active reading, a way of processing and thinking about the text that you're interacting with. But don't worry, I won't be grading you on your writing skills. We will also have a midterm exam and a final exam. This is a 100% online class with mandatory synchronous class meetings on Zoom on Wednesdays from 12:15 to 1:30 p.m. You will go through the modules at your own pace, being mindful of the due dates, which are clearly posted on the modules page. Now, in order to give you all the support that you need, there will be student hours, also known as office hours, with me, and weekly tutorial sessions with our 2 instructional aides. So there are 3 of us to help you this semester. Myself, Mrs. Roxanne Leaf, and Mrs. Robin Conrad. So what's next? Familiarize yourself with this homepage. And when you're done, click on the Start button, which will take you to the very first assignment on the modules page, an availability survey. This is so that we can be accommodating of your schedule for student hours and weekly tutorials. Once you finish this availability survey, click on the Next button at the bottom of the screen and go through. That'll take you to the first page of the next module. Go through all the items in Module 0. Please complete every item in every module and move through the modules in sequential order. Note that you will not be allowed to start on Module 0 until you have completed the availability survey. The last thing I want to tell you is about course navigation. On this home page, you'll find schedules and Zoom links for our class, for our student hours, and for our weekly tutorials. Please check it regularly, as I will post announcements, and those can be found at the top. I don't have any announcements here yet, but they will be found at the top of the page. Now, the most important page is the modules page. This is the page where you'll get all your assignments, class readings, and due dates, so stay on the modules page. Don't use other Canvas features and pages to keep track of your assignments, like the dashboard and the to-do corner, because I'll show you the dashboard, this here, or the to-do corner here, because they give you incomplete information. So the best way to navigate this course is, first, check the home page for announcements regularly, but otherwise just stay on the modules page. So what do you say? Shall we get started? If you have any questions, feel free to email me. My email is located at the bottom of this homepage. All right. Have a great semester, and see you Zoom.